So this is a tutorial showing you how to create images when you don't have anything to work with, such as a photograph or a graphic to start with. As you can see from our website, communityjournalism.co.uk, it's pretty typical of most websites in that you need an image to accompany most stories. So here's an example of one I created when we didn't have an image. So I went to a website called PicMonkey, which is www.picmonkey.com. It's completely free to use. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an image. So if you go to design, you choose what you want it to be. Do you want it to be square, a Facebook cover, or a particular size? So let's go to custom, and we'll make it 650 by 450. And there we have the image, the exact size we want it to be. So now I can go ahead and I can choose the background colour for the image that I want it to be. I can just use any colour that I would like it to be, unless if I already know the hex colour code, then I can go in and I can put it in there. So for this instance, let's go with that blue colour, and then you just click apply. So then you just want to click on the text box, and you've got this whole array of text that you can choose from all the way down the side. So it's worth seeing if the text that matches your logo and your branding is in there. If not, just think about what's going to work for the message that you're trying to portray. So I'm going to go with this one because it's quite a bold one, base 5, and then you just click add text, and you come over here and you type your text. So in this instance, I want to say that 67% of us rely on our local newspaper for news. Now that's not really working for me, so if I just highlight it and I can just try a few different ones, and I can go, actually this one is working better for me. Then you get this little icon up here, so you can just click and you can either make it bigger or smaller, or you can choose the font size you want it to be. Here I think I'd like it to be more centralized, and then just by opening the box out, that looks a little bit neater, and maybe I'll just open it up a bit more. Now black looks a little bit harsh on that background, so it's really simple again. I just highlight the text and I can choose how I want it to look. If you think that doesn't quite stand out enough, it's really easy. If you go to overlays, you can pick shapes, you can hearts, themes, templates, anything you want. So there's different labels and banners down here you can choose from. Labels. In this instance, I want something quite plain, so I'll go back up to shapes up here, and I just make it so that covers the text like that. And then I will right click to send to back, so it's behind that, and then I probably want to fade that right out so that it just stands out a little bit without being too much. And there, that's really nice and easy. You can have it with, without, you can remove that, you can change the colour. It's really quick and easy to do. And that's it. You just want to click once you're happy with it. If you wanted to add again, you just add another text box, go back to text, add text, and then attribute the quote. Carnegie Trust UK. And then if I go back to where we are and make that smaller again, there we are, and that's it, done. And there we have it. So then I just click save. The only thing you want to remember is if you want to print it, you want it to be a JPEG for the web, you want to save it as a .png, and I call it Carnegie Court website, and you hit save, and there you've got it. It's done. It's free and it's easy.